When you think of a skeleton, you probably picture a dusty, static decoration for Halloween, right? Well, forget that. The 206 bones inside you right now are part of a living, breathing system that is constantly, and I mean constantly, rebuilding itself. Today, we're going to uncover the secret life of your skeleton. So what is actually happening inside your bones at this very moment? I mean, really? It's a construction site, a mineral bank, and a factory all rolled into one. It's pretty wild. So let's take a closer look, shall we? Okay, first things first, let's start with the basics. Your skeleton. It's the incredible framework that gives you shape and form. I mean, without it, we'd literally be puddles on the floor. It is the foundation of you. Just think of it like the steel beams of a skyscraper. This framework doesn't just hold you up against gravity. It's also like a protective vault for your most critical, most delicate organs. And its job description is, well, it's huge. It's way more than just support. It's a bodyguard for your organs, an anchor for your muscles, a storage unit for essential minerals like calcium, and even a factory, cranking out millions of new blood cells every single second. It is the ultimate multitasker, no question. But to do all of these amazing jobs, bone has to be an extraordinary material. And trust me, it is. It's a brilliant feat of engineering. Let's dig into what makes it possible. You know, the secret is all in its design. It's a composite material, so on one hand, you've got this protein called collagen woven all through it that gives your bones flexibility, kind of like the rubber in a tire, so they can bend a little under pressure. And on the other hand, you've got these hard calcium minerals providing rock-solid strength like concrete. This perfect blend of flexibility and hardness is what makes bones so incredibly tough. All right, time for a quick pop quiz. Can you name the single longest bone in the entire human body? Go on, I'll give you a second to think about it. If you guessed the femur, you got it, your thigh bone. It's not only the longest, but it's also the strongest bone you have. In fact, pound for pound, it's actually stronger than steel. It can withstand thousands of pounds of force. Pretty amazing. And this brings us to what I think is the most incredible part. Your bones are truly alive. So, let's meet the dedicated crew of tiny cells working around the clock to build, shape, and repair them. Now, this is the key thing to remember. Your skeleton isn't some finished structure, not at all. It's more like a bustling city that's always being remodeled. Old parts get carefully demolished while new buildings go up in their place, every single day. And here is the team that makes it all happen. First up, you've got osteoblasts. We call them the builders because they construct new bone. Then you have the osteoclasts, or the recyclers. They break down old or damaged bone to make way for the new stuff. And finally, the osteocytes. Think of them as the supervisors. They manage the whole finished structure and direct the entire operation. So how does this whole crew work together? Well, it's through a process called bone remodeling, a cycle of renewal that's so thorough, you essentially get a brand new skeleton every 10 years or so. It's how your skeleton stays strong and adapts to all the stresses of your life. The whole process is this beautiful, logical cycle. First, the recyclers, the osteoclasts. They come in and clear away a patch of old bone. Then, the builders, the osteoblasts, move in and lay down a fresh foundation of strong new bone. And finally, some of those builders actually stay behind and become the supervisors, the osteocytes, maintaining the new tissue. And this whole cycle is happening all over your skeleton right now as we speak. Okay, quiz time again. Think about something you do all day, every day. Sitting down. Which part of your skeleton takes on most of your weight when you take a seat? That would be your pelvis. It's wide, it's shaped like a basin, and it's perfectly engineered to transfer your upper body's weight and give you a stable seat. Just a really brilliant piece of natural design. Okay, so we've looked at the material and we've met the maintenance crew. Now let's zoom back out and see how it all works together as this perfectly integrated system for protection, support, and movement. It really is your body's own personal bodyguard. I mean, your skull is a custom-fit helmet for your brain. Your ribcage is a flexible shield that guards your heart and lungs. And your spine is like an armored cable protecting that superhighway of nerves, your spinal cord. And here's the thing. None of these bones works alone. From the tiniest little bones in your ear to the huge bones in your legs, all 206 are connected, working together as a system that lets you stand, move, and just live your life safely. It's a true symphony of cooperation. So if there's one thing you take away from all this, let it be this. Your skeleton is never finished. It is a dynamic, living part of you, always renewing itself piece by piece, helping you heal and adapting to make you stronger.
So the next time you walk, or run, or even just sit down, remember what you're using. A masterpiece of living architecture. It's not just some static frame, it's a dynamic system that lets you experience the world. Which really just leaves us with one final thought. Knowing your skeleton is this incredible, living thing, how will you use it?